Ever wondered how to change your car's oil and filter by yourself? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to demystify this vital maintenance task. Regular oil changes are crucial for maintaining your car's performance and extending its lifespan. They help keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Contrary to popular belief, changing your car's oil and filter is more straightforward than it appears, even for beginners. So, are you ready to become your own mechanic? Let's dive in. Before we start, you need to gather all the necessary tools and supplies. First up, an oil filter wrench is essential for removing the old oil filter. A funnel will guide the new oil into your engine without spills. You'll also need a new oil filter to replace the old one. As for the new oil, make sure you have the right type for your vehicle. Lastly, a container is needed to catch and dispose of the used oil responsibly. Once you have all your tools and supplies ready, you're all set to get started. Now that we have everything we need, it's time to start the process. First things first, safety is paramount. Ensure your car is secure on jack stands and the engine is cool to avoid burns. Begin by locating the oil filter and drain plug. They're usually found on the underside of your engine. The drain plug is typically a large nut or plug located under the oil pan at the bottom of the engine. The oil filter is round and slightly larger, usually towards the front or side. Next, place your drain pan underneath and unscrew the drain plug. Allow all the old oil to completely drain out. Remember, patience is key here. You want to get rid of as much of the old oil as possible. Once drained, it's time to remove the old filter. It should unscrew relatively easily. Be careful, it might still contain some oil. Next, take your new filter. Apply a bit of new oil to the gasket on top. This will ensure a good seal. Then, simply screw it into place where the old one was. Now, we're on to the final step. Remove the oil filler cap from the top of your engine and slowly start pouring in your new oil. Make sure to check your vehicle's manual for the right quantity. Once you've added the correct amount, replace the cap, start your engine, and let it run for a minute to allow the new oil to circulate. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your car's oil and filter. So let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've walked through the process of changing your car's oil and filter, starting with gathering the necessary tools and supplies, then moving on to the step-by-step guide. We've highlighted the importance of regular oil changes for your car's health. Doing it yourself not only saves money but also gives you a sense of accomplishment. Now, you're equipped with the knowledge to change your car's oil and filter. Remember, practice makes perfect. Safe driving and see you in the next video.